Did you know the average national EMS response time is 7 to 14 minutes? Pretty quick, right? The only problem is some medical emergencies can be fatal within 3 to 6 minutes. Severe bleeding can become fatal in 3 to 5 minutes. If someone is having airway complications, those can cause hypoxic brain death in as little as 6 minutes. That 7 to 14 minute EMS response time is seeming a little long now, isn't it? In emergency situations, every second counts, especially during those crucial first few minutes. That's why it's so important to have the tools readily available so anyone can get to work keeping victims alive until trained help arrives. That's exactly what ZOLL Mobilize trauma kits were designed to do. Give people the real-time instructions, guidance, and equipment they need to save lives in emergency situations. Mobilize trauma kits come in a range of sizes. As the kits get bigger, the list of emergency situations they can treat gets bigger. The comprehensive trauma kit has an integrated video screen in the cover equipped with the Mobilize Rescue app with just-in-time interactive instructions. It guides rescuers with real-time instructions on how to use the supplies and administer the care needed. The kit also includes the most extensive set of medical supplies to help manage life-threatening issues like severe bleeding, seizures, choking, hypothermia, broken bones, allergic reactions, and more. Or maybe you need a little more mobility. The Mobile Trauma Kit is a backpack version of the comprehensive kit. It contains the same extensive set of medical supplies and integrated rescue app, but it is more portable. It's a great solution for emergency response staff to grab when they head out to a medical emergency. It also easily stores in vehicles or remote locations. The Public Access Trauma Kit was designed to treat multiple victims. Each kit includes 4 individual utility kits. They're perfect for distribution in case of a mass casualty event. The Mobilize Rescue phone app walks users through the different scenarios they may encounter, so be sure to distribute it to everyone in your organization. It will further empower them to respond confidently during an emergency. And finally, there's the Compact Trauma Kit. As the name implies, it's compact and lightweight, making it ideal for the workplace or on the go. Remember, trauma is the #1 cause of death for people between the ages of 1 and 46 and accounts for 30% of all lives lost in the US. So the faster medical assistance is provided, even from a bystander, the better the outcome and possibility to help save a life. Anyone can play a more active role in responding to emergencies, and Mobilize trauma kits can provide them with the necessary equipment and guidance they need. For more information, or to connect with a representative, scan the QR code on the screen or visit ZOLL.com.